Hi lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you how to make a festive Christmas smoothie. It's packed with nutrients to help you glow from the inside. First, you need 1 cup of coconut milk. Then you also need ginger. I'm going to blend this ginger before I get what I need from it. The next thing you need is dates. I'm just going to use about 2 dates, but depending on how tasty you want it to be, you can add more as a sweetener. Now we're going to add frozen banana as well. I'm just using 1. If you want it to be thicker, you can use 2. Next thing is cinnamon powder. I love the flavor of cinnamon. I don't know about you, but I just love it. Another spice we'll need is nutmeg. I got the powdered one. And then we're going to use cinnamon sticks for toppings, just for the Christmas aesthetics. So now let's make this quick smoothie. We're going to start by adding our frozen banana. Now pour in your dates, and then you can pour in your milk. You can use any other plant-based milk. It doesn't have to be coconut milk. This is a good time to also add protein powder if you want more protein. Now let's add the spices. You can sprinkle in your cinnamon and then nutmeg and the ground ginger. These warm spices are very good for the Christmas feeling and flavor. So cinnamon also is amazing for blood sugar balance and your skin glow. So you have to blend everything until it's smooth and creamy. You want it thick enough to hold your toppings, but smooth enough to enjoy with a spoon. At this point, I realized that I didn't add enough coconut milk. I needed at least a cup of coconut milk. So I decided to change this smoothie to something else. When I poured it in, it wasn't as thick as I wanted, and it wasn't as much as I wanted. So I decided to add more oats. I added oats. I didn't add oats before, so I added oats, and then I made sure I added like ice just to make it more, watery, and put some more coconut milk, and this gave me a more filling smoothie. You can also add some honey as a sweetener. So now that the smoothie is ready, we're going to pour it into a nice mug, and then we're going to put those toppings that will make it look a bit festive. So the first thing I did was to add my cinnamon stick. So I added 3 cinnamon sticks, and then I ground my almonds, and I just sprinkled the almonds at the top to give it that, nice and warm feel, and it tasted so good. Just gave me that instant glow. Now if you want more of this, you can get my protein and whole foods meal plan, and link in my bio or description. Thank you for watching.